Adding wires to Amazon is pretty easy thing to do. Today, I'm going to teach you how you guys can correctly add wires to Amazon. So for that, as you guys can see, I've opened up Amazon here and wires here. So in order to do that, you need to have the wires virtual card, which you can easily get from the wires application. The process is pretty simple. You just need to go to the app and you have to apply for the virtual card. You'll get it at instant. So you just need to add a virtual card. After that, you have to be at Amazon, and in the Amazon, you have to select any of the product that you want to buy. You just need to add it to your cart. Currently, I have these two products in my cart, and I'm going to click on this proceed to checkout. Now, after doing that, you will be able to see, these options as your payment options. Now here you simply have to select as a MasterCard, and here you have to click on this add a credit or debit card. After clicking on that, you will be able to see, the card number, name on card, and these options, which you will easily be able to find at your virtual card, which should be in your Wise application. So you just need to put those details here, and this is how you'll be able to add Wise to Amazon. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.